Alright guys, sorry for the little bit of the noise we got here, but that noise that you hear is a sign of progress. It's a sign of achievement, and it's also a sign of everything being installed correctly. 2 thumbs up, right? Alright, so just real quick, what I wanted to show you guys is I went ahead and added some of this aluminum insulating tape. And like I was just mentioning before earlier in the video, this is the return. This is the part where your cabin air gets filtered up through your filter, through your evaporator coils, out through here, right? So it's very important that this seal that divides the in and the out to be completely sealed, because it's a suction device. And what you don't want is air that's being pushed out of here, being sucked in there, just wasting everything. And plus, you're losing temperature. But as you see, I went all the way around the entire plate, sealed it. I did not go all the way around it here because it has that foam. It's all the way around the entire portion of the hole there in the roof. So that's why I didn't put it on that part. But guys, it's a huge, tremendous difference of a brand new air conditioner versus something that has age to it, and you know, debris and stuff like that in these coils. Again, I tried at first to save money and clean these evaporator coils and the outside fins, but it was, the air conditioner itself was gone. So do your research out there. Go ahead and you know, get a good deal on what you find. The labor itself, you're going to save you guys a ton of money. You know, I was tempted to do this because I didn't know if I could get help putting this on my roof, but an average trip charge for RV mobile service was like $250 just to come out, and then I want to say it was $100 per hour. It took me 2 hours with me and another individual, so that would have been an additional $500 probably I saved on top of this. Thank you, brother-in-law. Again, guys, this is how you install a air conditioner in your RV. Hopefully, you know, my first part video helped you guys as far as how to put it on your roof and to be safe while you do that as well. You can use that pulley method where you put your ladder in the back of a truck to give the ladder more of an angle, and have the air conditioner on top of the ladder and have someone on your roof pulling with a rope while someone else is pushing it up the actual ladder. But it worked out fairly simple in this case, so I would try this method if you can, if you got some good muscle at hand. Anyways, guys, thanks for tuning back in. I hope this really helped you guys. Please leave a comment, leave me a thumbs up, and again, subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Peace.